What's going on? Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video, I just want to be honest with you.
Nerf this!
So if you're finding my channel for the first time, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you got that notification bell clicked and you won't miss a thing. With that out of that way, let's jump right into it. I really don't have a video for today. I don't have anything planned, no topics. I just wanted to jump on here and say that I apologize. I apologize to you. I haven't been the best version of me, and I try to make you the best version of you in each and every video, and I'm not even doing that for myself. What I mean by that is my schedule has been all over the place with this real estate business that I'm doing and all the other business ventures that I have and everything going on in my personal life, including, you know, the wedding that's coming up in June, and it's fast approaching, like super fast, way faster than I could have ever imagined it. But I'm not on here to make excuses. At the end of the day, I have to get the job done. I gotta do what I gotta do what I say I'm gonna do when I say I'm gonna do it. Hence why these videos are so late and everything else. But I really just want to get on here and say that, you know, I do apologize that the quality of the content hasn't been great, and I know that, but I am going to correct this, and really just want to hold myself accountable to you, because at the end of the day, you know, I have to practice what I preach, and, you know, I got to get back on track with making better quality stuff. So really, this video is just all about, you know, posting because I post every Monday, and just to let you know what's kind of going on. Again, my schedule is just pretty hectic right now because I really don't know what each day looks like. Every day is different, which I love, but at the same time there's not enough structure for me to figure out when to film. So that's something that I have to improve on, and maybe I'll even make a video for you when I do build the new structure of my day. With that being said, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you hate me. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate you. I'm so thankful for you if you're watching this video, and just know that it is going to get better, but I want to be honest with you and let you know that, hey, I'm not perfect, no one's perfect, and you know, we all go through patches like this, including myself. If this is not proof that we all go through some stuff, then I don't know what is. But again, either way, appreciate you. Thank you for sticking with me, and I'll catch you next time. Signing off.